Download AFT 100% free for SIM from algofuturestrader.com/downloads. Step number 1. Log in to the website, download and run the Universal Installer. This will deploy AFT7 into NinjaTrader 7, including the turnkey trading system workspaces. Ready to use for day trading micro futures on the Trade Simulator. Step number 2. Start NinjaTrader 7 and connect to a futures data feed, obtained from NinjaTrader.com. Step number 3. Open a turnkey workspace to start your ready-to-trade micro futures system. Practice trading on the sim 100% risk-free. Enable the automated trading mode and wait for the New York session open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.